Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Constant Spring Road heading towards the Halfway Tree Transport Center. Now straight ahead, that yellow bus is the first electric bus that is operating in Jamaica. So we're just going to give you a look at it and then we talk about the bus system in Jamaica. So this is the only electric bus operating in Jamaica right now. However, they have 5 more on order and they should arrive sometime this month in August. They should arrive before the opening of school in September. Now, in Jamaica, as you know, the bus is what you call public transportation. We don't have a train system for passengers that goes around the whole island. We have a pilot program where, okay, so this is the bus, very nice. We have a student train service that runs from Spanish Town to Old Harbour and Linstead. It's limited in its use. So the bus is the main means of transport in Jamaica, public transport. All right, the bus is heading towards the Halfway Tree Transport Center, but we just turned onto South Avenue and we're heading up to Waterloo Road. Okay, so recently it was announced that the JUTC is short of buses. And it's a serious problem because with school opening back up in 4 weeks, there is going to be a serious problem in getting the students to school via the bus. So the government had ordered 50 new buses. So we're going to give you an update on what's going on with the 50 new buses. 50 new buses to arrive for reopening of schools. The 50 new buses being acquired to boost the public transport system are expected to arrive in the island on August 16 in time for the reopening of schools in September. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, made a disclosure while speaking with journalists during a tour of the Halfway Tree Transport Center in St. Andrew. He said that the new units, which comprise 45 diesel and 5 electric vehicles, will significantly increase the JUTC's, that's the Jamaica Urban Transit Company's fleet. We are intended to move the fleet from 160 now to 310 for back to school the first week in September, bearing in mind that we have procured some parts to fix some of the existing buses, Minister Vaz said. He noted further that discussions are underway with the Ministry of Finance and Public Service to replace a number of buses in the JUTC fleet that have passed their expiry date. An announcement in this regard will be made in September, he indicated. With respect to a specialized school bus system, Minister Vaz said discussions are underway for a pilot project to be undertaken. What we really want to do with that is to have a pilot project first and foremost. We want to have the pilot project between now and the end of the year just to see whether what we have come up with can work, he noted. Minister Vaz said a public-private partnership is being considered for the undertaking. That would be the easiest way in terms of getting private sector investment to be able to fund it, and we will just regulate it, he said. Alright, so that's the end of the article. Now the JUTC fleet is down to 160 buses. So when these 50 come, that will be 210, and they're going to repair some of the other buses. Now this has to be a priority because when the students start to go back to school in September, there is going to be a lot more traffic on the roads. And they're going to need a lot more buses. So we will keep you updated on what's going on with these buses. They said they should arrive, when was it? August 16. So we will keep you guys updated on this. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.